Just recently, the email and SMS marketing company Omnisend released their 2023 year-end email, SMS, and web push marketing stats report, which is linked in the video description. Now, this report looked at 23 billion marketing emails, 175 million SMS, and 266 million web push messages sent by Omnisend customers in 2023. In today's short video, I want to share 5 lessons every business should take away from the report and why it matters to the success in 2024. Let's dig in. Lesson 1, email matters and it's not going anywhere. Brands sent more emails than the previous year for the 4th consecutive year. And last year, email-related orders increased by 17%. Now, open and click rates both increased year over year. Conversion rates remained steady. However, when it mattered most, during that Black Friday shopping season, all email metrics increased over the norm, conversions included. So with all due respect to TikTok, email moves the sales meters. Now, brands who want to find success in 2024 need to look at their email program and find ways to make it more effective, and more on this in a moment. That brings us to lesson number 2. Shoppers are turning to SMS. Now, customers generated $33 million in SMS sales last year. Now, think about that just for a second. If brands did not send SMS messages, they would have left $33 million in shoppers' money out there for someone else to scoop up, potentially your competitors. So if you're one of the people who still think SMS is annoying, think again. I know 33 million reasons why that myth is busted. Now, the good news is that it's not too late to begin using SMS marketing. Now, start collecting mobile numbers in the same pop-up form as email address. If you need help, be sure to check out the forums and SMS growth resources at omnisend.com. Lesson 3, holiday shopping started even earlier in 2023. Is it even possible? So last year, September, October, November were the 3 best months of the year for email click rate. Again, email engages shoppers at the most critical times of the year, and although last year it came 1 month earlier than usual. Now, you should expect this trend to continue this year as well. Be sure to have your holiday marketing plan in place by the end of August. Yes, August. Prepare for a marathon. And remember, Black Friday and Cyber Monday should be treated as a week-long event, or even more, not a single-day event. Lesson 4. We know where brands found an extra 500,000 in orders. Well, the secret? SMS and web push notifications. I already addressed the value of SMS, but by combining it with web push messages, brands picked up over 500,000 orders to the tune of $47 million in sales. Now just imagine for a minute how much more your store could have sold if you used these 2 channels. Now, every brand should be using SMS, but even those that do tend to sleep on web push messages. Brands sent 250 million web push messages last year, generating $14 million in sales. So if you're looking for a place to grow, start there. And lesson number 5, email automation will increase your sales. Now, remember earlier when I said more on this later? Well, now is later. Although that was just then, so now is now, not later. In fact, later was just then. We passed it just now. Regardless, automated emails generated 41% of all email orders in 2023, yet accounted for only 2% of the sends. I repeat, 41% of sales and 2% of sends, all on autopilot. And it's not just email automations that reign supreme. We see the same thing with SMS and web push messages. 26% of all SMS orders and only 13% of sends last year came from automations. And for push messages, automated messages made up 21% of all orders and only 3% of sends. You noticing a theme here? Now maximize your marketing automations this year. If you're looking for a place to start with welcome, cart abandonment, and browse abandonment messages. These were the 3 most sent messages and generated more than 3/4 of all automated message orders last year. From there, build out your automation 1 message at a time. If you need help, Omnisend has pre-built automation templates with best practices already baked in, so you can literally start sending automations in a matter of minutes. Seriously, minutes. There you have it. 5 lessons from Omnisend's year-end e-commerce stats report and how they can transform your store sales, and it's easier than you think. Now, too many people still believe that in order to get a lot out of email marketing, they need to pay a lot. That's a myth that Omnisend and their 100,000 plus customers are busting every single day. Not only will it not break the bank, but Omnisend offers all customers a multitude of list growth sign-up forms, 24/7 live award-winning support, lots of A/B testing, and a ton of pre-built automations, stunning e-commerce templates, and even pre-built segments. So find out all the value Omnisend offers by going to omnisend.com, which can also be found in the video description. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're looking for even more e-commerce marketing videos, be sure to check out this one right here. And until next time, happy marketing.